Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 8 of our less than 1500 calories diet plan. Today our breakfast is going to be oat sandwich and the approximate calorie of our breakfast is around 412. So now let us begin preparing our oat sandwich. This is a very simple and healthy recipe which will taste so good. For the recipe, you need half a cup of thick curd or yogurt. Mine is homemade curd, so I am going to filter it to make it thick. You have to leave the curd in the filter for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the water to drain. Set the curd aside, we are going to add it at the last. Now take half a cup of oats, this is whole grain oats. To this I am going to add few chopped onion, few amount of grated carrot, half chopped tomato, a small piece of chopped cabbage, one finely chopped green chili, few chopped coriander leaves, coarsely grinded cumin seeds and peppercorns. I have taken a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds and around 5 peppercorns. To this let us add the required amount of salt and finally the filtered curd. Give everything a nice mix. So this is going to be our sandwich stuffing. Other than this, we need a little ghee and wheat breads. You can avoid ghee if you are in a weight loss diet. Now let us apply the stuffing on one bread. Now let us close this with another bread. Repeat the same with all the other breads. Let us apply some ghee on one side. We are going to cook this in a sandwich maker as well as in a pan. In a sandwich maker, just place the ghee side downwards. Now apply ghee on the other side. Let us cook this in medium heat. So here our oat sandwich is ready. Let us take it out. Now let us cook the sandwich in pan. So take a pan, pour some ghee in it. Place the prepared bread. Let us spread some ghee on the other side. So here is our pan sandwich. This is also ready. For the breakfast, we need two of them. Our two sandwiches has 12.6 grams of proteins, 9.7 grams of fats, 50.6 grams of carbohydrates and 11.5 grams of fiber. For the morning snack, we are going to take muskmelon. This is around 32 calories. We have to take a medium sized muskmelon and we need half of it. Remove the skin and cut them into pieces like this. And half of the muskmelon has 2 grams of proteins, 0.5 grams of fats, 19.6 grams of carbohydrates and 2.2 grams of fiber. Now let us move on to our lunch. Our lunch menu has rice, rasam, yam curry and curd. The rice here is boiled and not pressure cooked, and the rasam recipe is there in the day 1 video. If you want, you can go and refer. The link of the day one video is there in the description. If you want, you can check it out. Now let us move on and do our yam curry. More than a perfect curry, this is a curried mashed yam. The yam used here is elephant yam and you need half a kg of this. Clean the yam and transfer them into the pressure cooker. Add water until it gets completely immersed. Close this and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. This is ready. Once it cools down, you can remove the skin. Now let us mash them. This will be very soft. You can use your hand to mash them. The mashed yam is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this add 10 to 15 chopped shallots or half an onion, 1 green chilli, few curry leaves, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, around 4 chopped garlic cloves. Give this a nice saute. The shallots has to turn translucent. Once the shallots are translucent, you can add 2 chopped tomatoes. To this add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Give everything a nice saute for about 1 or 2 minutes and then close this and cook for few minutes. So here the tomatoes are ready now. It got mashed well. To this let us add a teaspoon of sambar powder, and if you don't have sambar powder, go for coriander powder. Now let us add the mashed yam. Give a nice mix. Cook this in medium flame for another 5 minutes. So here the curried mashed yam is ready. Now let us transfer this into a bowl. For the lunch we need a cup of rice, half a cup of rasam, half a cup of mashed yam and 3 tablespoons of curd. So here our lunch is ready. 1 cup of boiled rice has 4.3 grams of proteins, 0.6 grams of fats, 44.4 grams of carbohydrates and 0.8 grams of fiber. Half a cup of rasam has 5.3 grams of proteins, 2.4 grams of fats, 13.8 grams of carbohydrates and 1.3 grams of fiber. Half a cup of mashed yam has 1.6 grams of proteins, 2.7 grams of fats, 17 grams of carbohydrates and 3.9 grams of fiber. Moving on to our evening snack, it is going to be sweet corn and it is around 107 calories. We are going to take 1 boiled sweet corn as a snack. And this boiled sweet corn has 3.8 grams of proteins, 1.7 grams of fats, 23.4 grams of carbohydrates and 2.7 grams of fiber. Next, let us move on to our dinner. Our dinner is going to be pearl millet dosa and sambar, and the calories of our dinner is around 288. For the sambar, again you have to refer the day one video. Now let us move on and see how to do the pearl millet dosa. For this, take around half a cup of split black gram, that is urud dal, 1 cup of pearl millet or bajra, 1 cup of parboiled rice or idli rice, a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Clean all the ingredients and soak them in water separately for about 5 to 6 hours. This is after 5 hours and I am going to grind this in a mixie jar. If you want, you can use grinder. We are going to grind them separately, so I will start with urud dal. Add enough water and grind it until it becomes fluffy. The batter has to be thick like this, so you have to adjust the water accordingly. Next, let us grind the rice. Grind this into a fine paste and as thick as possible, so adjust the water accordingly. The rice batter is ready. Let us add this into the urad dal batter. Finally, let us grind the pearl millet. You have to grind this into a fine paste. Let us add the bajra batter into the rice and urad dal batter. Add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. Let us leave this for fermentation. It will take around 8 to 9 hours. After the fermentation process, the batter will be like this. You have to give a mix. Now the batter is thick. If you want, you can use this for preparing idli. For dosas, you have to add some water and make the batter loose. And this is the consistency of the batter for preparing dosa. Now pour the batter on a hot tawa and spread it. Add some oil, but make sure it is less. One side got cooked, let us flip it. So here the dosa is ready. For the dinner, we are going to take 2 pearl millet dosas and a cup of sambar. Our 2 pearl millet dosas has 3.7 grams of proteins, 2.5 grams of fats, 15 grams of carbohydrates and 2.7 grams of fiber. Our 1 cup of sambar has 9.4 grams of proteins, 5.2 grams of fats, 26.8 grams of carbohydrates and 5.8 grams of fiber. On the whole, today we have taken around 1279 calories. This is less than 1500, so we have maintained our diet. Day 8 is over. Meet you on day 9 and don't forget to subscribe our channel.